Hi there, juniors and seniors. This is Mr. Anderson. And as Mrs. Van Rees mentioned, I'd like to talk about a new program that we'll be offering Denver High School juniors and seniors next spring. And it's called CAPS. And CAPS stands for the Center for Advanced Professional Studies. So what is CAPS? Well, CAPS is truly innovative high school education. The Denver CAPS mission is to prepare students for their purpose. Students will learn real-world skills and experiences in a professional setting off-site. And that is the key, we believe. It is off-site. So we're going to put you in a professional environment up at Schumacher Elevator. And there you will work with the Denver CAPS instructor, Mr. Miller, and try to solve real-world problems with real-world businesses and companies. And actually work right alongside their professionals. And so the great thing about this is that you truly can take a look at career paths that you are interested in exploring, and you can pick jobs from the job boards and try to help solve those with those companies. This is going to be a truly exciting, and as I said earlier, innovative high school education. We're also partnering up with other school districts, as you can see here, next year, to create what's called Cedar Valley CAPS. Again, same mission. Denver will have its own unique CAPS, but we will also partner with other schools and be one of 8 schools in the state of Iowa to have a CAPS program in their high school. So this is something that I really want you to take a look at, and you have to see, A, is it something you're interested in, and B, will it actually work within your schedule, because it is going to be a little bit unique. In our course description handbook, you're going to find CAPS under engineering. We will focus on engineering, and Mr. Miller has a background in engineering. However, if you want to pursue other areas in different strands, such as business, education, robotics, and medical and health services, we will also provide those opportunities. So CAPS is going to be 1 semester next spring, and we have to limit the class to 15 students, juniors and seniors. You're going to have to look to see if this is going to fit in your schedule, because it will be 1:11 to 3:10 every day, where you'll be traveling up to Schumacher Elevator, which is what, like I said earlier, our host site, and it will be technically 2 periods long. Periods 7 and 8, and your SLC time will be up at Schumacher Elevator. We are going to give you 2 elective credits for this because of the time that you'll be spending up there. There also will be a potential for college class with this offering, but we will talk much more about that later. Right now, it's most important that you understand what CAPS is, and if I don't say it at the end, I'll say it now. Please just shoot me an email if you're interested in this, or shoot Mr. Miller an email, and we'd love to sit down and talk to you about it.
CAPS is a collaboration between business, community, and education, where we provide our students with professional experiences while developing the local workforce. And so what we essentially do is we take students outside of the classroom and we put them into a professional environment. It helps them gain connections, and it just teaches values and the things that are important to be successful.
I think these days that we don't really have that option anymore. It's just school. Once you're done with school, you go to college. Once you're done with college, that's when you're looking for a job. That's like 8 years down the road if you're thinking from the beginning of high school.
I've done job shadows, and I've had the time to actually research a career path for myself, and so having that time and getting that experience has been very helpful for me.
Towards the end of CAPS of now, I feel more confident in my own skins to be able to speak out what CAPS is and be able to say my skills and how I'm an asset to the workplace.
CAPS is not a class that you take in before. It is something completely different in the coolest way possible.
When you're talking about just pure credits, you're going to get high school credit as well as college credit. You have an opportunity to work with multiple businesses throughout the Cedar Valley on a low-risk platform. You have an opportunity to explore careers. It doesn't cost you anything. You're actually gaining things with college credit here, and you get to go explore those careers and try things out and test them out. We don't guarantee you're going to know what you're going to do coming out of CAPS, but we know you're going to check things off your list, and that's worth something. So what I always say to people is, it's not why should you, it's why wouldn't you?
So you heard from some students, and you heard from the CAPS director, Ethan Wickman, who oversees Cedar Valley CAPS. So he'll be working with the Denver CAPS. And really, this is project-based learning. This is a work-based feel where you're going to learn those skills and experiences needed for whatever career you choose to pursue beyond high school. And you get to work with area businesses and professionals and work right alongside them to work on the projects that they give you. And so it might look like they give you one of their top 10 problems or projects that they've wanted to work on for a while, and you and a team will get to work through that and pitch that back to the company. And we really believe that the skills you learn will be invaluable for you while in high school. We will be getting more information out there for you in regards to CAPS, but we just wanted to at least give you a little background of what this is going to look like. So if you're interested and you would like to know more, I would send Mr. Miller or myself an email, and we will be happy to discuss what CAPS is going to look like next year here at Denver High School. Hey, thanks for watching. Have a great day.